Hi friends, new and old, it's your FriendCHIP, and today we're finally going to take a look at N Skate Sunny Starscout. I've had her for a while, and she just kept getting put behind other toys as they came in, but we're finally going to get her out of the box and take a closer look. We've got 50 plus reactions, and she can sing, she can skate, she's got a weird microphone in there. Remote control mic, skate and dance, remote control mic, sing, skate, dance, lights and movement. Boy, they just repeat themselves over and over, don't they? Look at her, she's having a blast. And a really cool image of Sunny in her alicorn magic form. It does look like it requires 5 AA batteries, not included. So let's see if we have some batteries to diddly diddle with Sunny. And let's get her out of the box and take a closer look.
Yay!
Okay, and we've got Sunny out of the box, and we do have batteries in. She's got 3 batteries in here and 2 batteries in here. So it's going to take 5 batteries for this. So she's got a really nice amount of hair in her tail, which is really nice. We can see her cutie mark is here, but it isn't fully colored in. It looks like it might be trying to. You can see a little bit of like green that was overlaid the blue. She's got some really cool skates on with little pink wings, and the wheels are all different colors. And no cutie mark on the other side. She's got these big gold wings, and she's got her gold horn right here. She does have her hair in a twisty type of braid to the side. It has a pink hair tie here, but I took one of the blue paper ties that held her into the box and put it here on the end, so it was a little more like Sunny's blue tie that she has in her hair. And she's got a pretty cute face. She makes a lot of noise. She's so rattly when you move her around. And this is the microphone remote. There's a speaker right here, and there might be a sensor or a light there for it. We got 3 different buttons and some cool wings on the side. So it did come with some stickers. So we've got stickers to decorate her or the microphone with. And I just love this one. So cute. We did get a set of instructions with this one. So just in case you lose your instructions, right here is a video of the instructions, so you've got them for future use. It looks like we turn on, press the button, touch your horn, press that button to move and that button to turn around, and that's about it. So let's go ahead and turn around and see what happens.
Hi, I'm Sunny Starscout. We're going to have a super sunny day.
Ooh. And it said we can press this button.
Woo! I'm turning it now. I'm calling you. I'll never get lost in the rain. There's something inside. FriendCHIP, I'm out of it. But it's okay. It's something amazing.
Wow, you just kind of go anywhere and everywhere you want to, don't you? And we were going to lose you right off the side of the table. Ooh, it changes colors. See that? Okay. Ah!
Oh, really? Now you have a friend who can fly. I am on a mission. Hey, have you seen any crystals around here? Now you have a friend who can fly.
Yeah, that's the truth.
Oh my stars! Woo! Sunny spin! I am on a mission. Hey, have you seen any crystals around here? Let's play Sunny Freeze. I'm turning it up. I'm holding it back. I'll never catch up to the rain. Freeze. Can you keep up with these moves? Follow me. I'm turning it up. I'm calling it back. I'll never freeze. Yippee! We're on this trip together.
Oh yeah, that's for sure. Look at how ratty her hair looks in this bottom part of her
Have you seen any crystals around here?
hair. She's pretty cool. I like
What
her.
color is yours, Cortez? Mine's rainbow.
She talks a lot. Is that so?
Wow, I'm gonna look fantastic.
Woo! Alright, so that's all we have from Skate.
It's gonna be different. I can feel it.
Sing and Skate Sunny Starscout. She's really cool. I'm super excited to have her part of my collection. I think Sunny is a lot of fun. I enjoy her as a character. And in the movie, she was definitely one of my top favorite characters. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Click the notification bell so you don't miss the next My Little Pony video. And if we aren't friends yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stick around. Until next time, bye!